Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sinkara. In my video number 2004 or 2004-5, I have discussed in detail about the murder and throwing away the dead body of Ankita Bhandari, who joined as a receptionist in Vanatara resorts of Rishikesh on 1/9/2022, and since he did not accept for the special services to be provided for the guests in the resort, she was done to death, murdered, and her body was thrown into Chila Canal, which has sent shockwaves in Uttarakhand, Devabhumi. Ultimately, the main culprits, that is Pulkit Arya, his brother Ankit Gupta, or assistant manager Ankit Gupta, and some Saurav Bhaskara, somebody, all the three persons were arrested. This is one part. Later, the body was sent for PM examination. From there, I am continuing the video. Actually, on Sunday, that is day before yesterday, the cremation or the last rites of the victim Ankita Bhandari were conducted on her native village. But before that, lot of drama has taken place. Her father, Vinod Bhandari, was reluctant to take the dead body. Why? Because he has alleged that the government of Uttarakhand or directly attacked CM, he made a show by razing down or by destroying the resorts. Now, this man, Vinod Bhandari, is alleging that with the destruction of the resorts, the evidence is distorted. The evidence is distorted. So that means it is an offence under section 201 of the Indian Penal Code. That is destruction of evidence or destruction of evidence, which is an offence and it is punishable up to 7 years imprisonment. So what is the use of destruction? What is the use of raising the resource to the ground level? Entire evidence is lost. This is one. Second point, he alleges that the post-mortem is also not done properly and the PM certificate is not to the satisfaction of the deceased father. Third point, he is demanding fast-track trial of the accused because justice should be done to the deceased as well as the offence should not be repeated on the other woman. So all these demands, the Rishikesh Badrinath highway was blocked. Anyway, the additional SP and actually some other police officers came to the spot and actually they cajoled the father of the victim, stating that Arey Baba, the evidence is not at all lost. The additional superintendent of police, he stated that videograph was taken in all the rooms, particularly where the evidence is necessary, and then only it was raised to the ground. So the father need not worry that the evidence has been tampered, evidence has been destroyed. The evidence is there 100%, and the additional SP also said we have enough evidence to prove home the guilt of the accused persons. So justice will be done to the deceased family. But they are not satisfied. Ultimately, DGP Sri Ashok Kumar, he called the family over video phone and he told them that, please remember, he told them that justice will be done to the deceased person. They will conduct the investigation in a fair and impartial manner and see that the accused gets punishment. The DGP said there is enough evidence to conclude that the accused have committed the offence and the accused will be linked to the crime by means of the so-called scientific evidence also. And with the assurance given by the DGP, then the family members and the other villagers, they called off the protest and ultimately went for the burial of the woman. So please remember, till such time, actually, the protesters kept the police force on tenterhooks or on their toes. They don't know what will happen. You may be knowing very recently, the UP government, they have passed a strong, that is a standard operating procedure for the burial of the dead bodies which are not claimed. So they should not keep them on the roads. They should not keep them unguarded. So I will tell you in another video regarding that standard operating procedure. Anyway, with the so-called assurance given by the Honorable DGP, then the matter subsided, and they have concluded the ceremonial rituals of the deceased Ankita Bhandari. So may her soul rest in peace. So here with this I am concluding. Thank you.